okujeto abrakwa. Okujeto abrakwa. Okujeto abrakwa. The people of Norton, let me start from you. Is that what you voted for Okujeto to come and do? You see, he does not represent himself at the parliament. He represents the constituents of Norton. You are making us believe, say, so therefore, we are okay with it. And the Norton for more by some which I say, Modian Nabrabasam, as someone any who mutimi travel one amount, Sana Mutia, hence, Okuja to Abrapane, better in it, to move to Manana. Is that what you want to tell us? Then somebody from Norton should come and tell us, say, this is not what we send the guy there to do. Oh, Okuja to Abrapa, Ghana, Unya Jumada. We see such bad people, no dear. We can tell them our mind. Okuja to Abrapa, wouldn't buy you near Pam, one ran out to say, your Pam school fees. Obey me, you pay minister, deputy minister, pay, and only about it America. Musumosi mwana mokaze musikani. And no Okuja to Abrapa, Mummy Pisa guy, they say, a diner was see one not tongue, any cars now, or only no. Do they match the income? What to meet them 200 million? Sekwesiada, me na mi Okuja to Abrapa, deputy minister. Midi kodidi 200 million. Say this. Net that come say, Udi kwa kodidi. U kodidi ya umutuo special. Udi kwa kodidi umutuo special. No ayo who say true assembly ho, and I've done my investigation. Me say, Reverend Watson, say Reverend, then ye catch it all. Sa krife nyame somno fa hu kwadi mu bi. Truth be told, Ghana for astofo mo amoka hu bi ena no ma papa Ghana for dodo na edi nsehunu o Ghana. Reverend Kwesi Watson, me catch that pay say sa asem we wan fa nkokot na wu jane sa ade a Okuja to kura ba out be kase no obo ayanyini. I'm telling you. So we say asem Okuja to kan obo enye no kura fa ne kokot. Aye only court ene betimi edi wa asema ma. Sa krifenya me som no Bible ba bia nu e kire se wo de wo te wa na unu abebo wasum no wo hwe wasum enu twa ntroto so a yedin ba bia nkire sa. Enu nti na sabi wa ma yen so adwen ni nyansa a ye bie court no se asema ye kan beti wo ho osofo te wo ho sa asem we Mrs. One fan kokota me ame campaign se sa na wote nti asem no fa ko na wa ya che won se ne sami da vi wa temu down wa ba fom napo ha na ni kire ne kakra bi se sami da vi has come down wo kasa wo dwe hu mienu because your friend wa himfie now ye bema mpanfo si bisa wano ne bisa obema wano ka asem bone na obema nko wura tokuro bone bia mu aye kobo waba so enti Norton, is that what you voted for? That will be mram between Chantron yen ngwase mramo. Masa 2024 Norton people, constituent of Norton, mo to abana munhwe mutin. Na monso monwine echiri ma ho. Na pacho wasem no yenti ase. Omo mpanyida da look, mpanyifo se aboa wuram aboa, wa hunu ho so hwe. Na obefie piefie wia ema eyi omumbom ntuma ebo omumu no edi jam enti ko twa mansa kora wa hu so hwe no antena wurom amfa hu odasani wurom na obefie a ema yi omuntuma di jam enti omampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama we expect say as wabeye national asset no and can speech no ebeye national development enkoye for NDC yifo a omo de esebi omo pe akaka bensa matie no omo ho kwa na oye den obedwen nanka wo ka asem we no what we expected to hear from you some medical catch us say that man who speaks to you and advises you former president John Dramani Mahama eboto of ko na sa papa na da bia no okita flask ennom ensuo krogin bia yenimu nsusu ban no eboto of ko na by that time don't listen to that man. Sa flask na ekita papa bi na ebo 12 kwa na obi 2 no ebo 12 kwa ubenya don't listen to that man because by then na sa flash no the wom na it is believed to be adefufuro bi a yenim no na abane so enti ama wo kasa na ne kasa no ensisi so enti me de obenya nkatwe hu fi sa papa no ho so that wo be kasa no be on point na fi yehu de opeso kire now say NDC for my PM say 2024 election is going to be about future tense. You are deceiving yourselves. The 2024 election is going to be based on past achievement. You're basing on past achievement. And your past tense in the economy, and your future tense, and then your present. With the present tense, but my father say 80%, believe you me, is going to be past tense. I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, I intend to do this. And yet I will do this because in Penifo say, Sebi, a janine to us when they come a I'm full of children to us. And the time man can be cast win former president. Now, can say, career, now they are so to say. During NDC's time, from 2008 to 2016, we built 120 hospitals. 8 years. And the MPPs who 8 years. No move 120 hospitals, no man to then you got the moral right. You got the infantry to come and criticize. Say 111 ye. In any case, yes, a PO manifesto, the Nanado MPP, almost promising. But say, me catch you say, I come in fear 90 minutes. Answer fear 9 no be kwa no. Me sure boss say, tio. Me sure boss say, me si dine at the amount. Dine no ma sha si when you tria. Da me share dine me sha si me si no and ye cancel wa sha si dine no kwa sha si mfimens and we me. And yet da me share wo bono. Because you and I know why a president is that. That is why you know Kasa from this angle say. Bosha am your fortune no. In fact, the flashy ones, you know, about 70 to 80% or so. They just say that to convince people to gather votes. And Tina Fifi Kwete. Ebeka chire 2000 say 2008 said, Omampani Kufo, Omampani that John Ajikun Kufo, His Excellency, Elvia Ghana, gold reserve Nina Wafa. And so on, no quatina can say, what can some way we need us when was a political talk. This is what the NDC believes in. And in fact, the former president, Emayeti, said, yeah, was short memory. And he still thinks. Say Ghanaians still have short memory, but Nana Akufo-Addo adodan kwa ado show boy at Roma, and then what be kwana to us will be uncle school. Now they are short memory can go and prolong it. And for your information, former President John Dramani Mahama, we no longer have short memories. In fact, very deep and long one have we now because free SHS came for all. That is why you and the NDC decided to sabotage the application of free SHS.